Make a pay in the next only 9. It's the best. When your colored food stains, they get that of our 2.5. The next 20, the padding. It's not a white carpet, off the stain. Make a paste. Time. Don't ruin your carpet with OxiClaze. Or caked on the the stains.
Biedang.
You and I drink. Pets.
Michael!
Brightens and eliminates.
You're a poopy head.
Are you seriously?
I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.
It's over 9,000!
Oh, shut up!
Cut the price. I'm soaking from a 2.5. A whopping carpeting. And get rid of your $40 on the stove. You get the longer and we'll bleach without.
Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Let's do the fork.
Charge it with